Hello little artists. Welcome back to mini study class. In today's video we learn something smart. Let's start. At first we draw the cutting part. Then we draw the leaves. We draw some small lines into the leaves. Next, we draw the body part. Here we draw a big circle. To draw the orange, oranges are delicious and healthy citrus fruit. They are round and have a bright orange color. Oranges grow on trees in groves. The skin of an orange can be peeled to reveal juicy segments. Brown color. Green color. Oranges are known for their sweet and sour taste. They are a great source of vitamin C. Vitamin C helps keep our bodies healthy and strong. Oranges can be eaten as a snack or juiced. Orange color. Orange juice is a popular breakfast drink. Some oranges are sweet, while others are more sour. Oranges are a good source of fiber. Fiber helps with digestion. They are also a source of potassium and other minerals. Oranges can be found in many parts of the world. Brazil is a major producer of oranges. Oranges can help protect you from getting sick. Eating oranges can boost your energy. Orange are refreshing and tasty fruit to enjoy. We color it very carefully. Wow! It's so beautiful! Our drawing is completed. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like. Bye!